Okay, so hello everyone. So in today's session, we'll be discussing some very important and basic questions of adverb. What kind of questions do come when it comes to adverb? As in any of the competitive exam, we usually get error detection questions, right? So we'll be discussing some error detection question based on adverb. Let's get started. So the direction says find the error and choose the option given. The question 1 says John is working very hardly as the examinations are fast approaching. Okay, very interesting. Let me tell you, this question has been asked several times in various exams. Okay, so you see here the usage of hardly is working very hardly. This gives an understanding that he is like almost not working hard, right? Not working hard, not working hard. This gives us as an understanding that John is not working very hard. But actually what we are trying to say is that John is working very hard as the examinations are fast approaching. Examinations are approaching and he is working really hard. So what am I supposed to use here as adverb which can give me an appropriate meaning? Definitely we'll go with the term hard and not hardly, right? We'll use the term hard and not hardly as adverb. So John is working very hard as the examinations are fast approaching. This will be the appropriate answer. Next, the old man felled some of the trees in the garden with hardly no effort at all. Okay, you see, hardly no effort with uh, hardly no effort, again giving us an understanding that there was no effort put, and it is giving, hardly somewhat a negative word, so it should not be used with not or other negative words. So we are not supposed to use hardly with no here. So what am I going to use here? We can definitely say uh, the man felled the old man felled some of the trees in the garden with no effort at all. That will be appropriate. We don't need hardly word here. So the error is in option number 3. Next, his son is working very hardly. Again, his son is working very hard. Instead of hardly, we'll use the term hard. Thank you, I am fine completely. So basically adverb is used to qualify an adjective, right? And it is generally placed before an adjective which it qualifies, not after. So the appropriate usage here would be thank you, I am completely fine. Completely fine. But the question here arises that in which of the following will I mark the error? In this case you will always mark the error which comes later. For example, completely is here, so I'll mark this as erroneous part because this is an adverb and we are doing adverb questions, and there is an error in adverb. This adverb should be placed before an adjective fine, right? Okay, next. In the garden were the more beautiful flowers and silver bells. Okay, when a sentence begins with in the garden, it takes inversion, right? Inversion form. Hence, the structure is right, but since there is no sense of comparison in a sentence, should we use more here? In that case, more in a sentence is redundant, right? So we are not supposed to use more here in that case. What am I going to use here? However, I think the most is appropriate. So however, the most can be used. Why? Because most is being appropriate, sounding appropriate. In the garden were the most beautiful flowers and silver bells. So the error is in option number 2. Next question. He thinks himself as a great scholar. He thinks himself as a great scholar. When I say think, consider, call, appoint, make, name, choose, right? Verbs like think, consider, call, appoint,